A lot of people don't like cleaning out their pumpkins at Halloween, but I found a really fun and fast way to do this. So first you're going to cut a circle around the stem like you normally would, and then you're going to detach all the guts from it. Then you're going to need to grab a drill and one of these hand mixer attachments. Just make sure that when you're adding your attachment to the drill that you tighten it really snug. Now the fun part comes where we get to clean out the pumpkin. So you're going to use your mixer and you're going to just start going around in a circle in the center. Don't worry about the sides because we first need to loosen everything up. It is going to get stuck to the blade a little bit. But once you get that all loosened off, then you can start working on the edges and it will clean it up so nicely. It only took us about 5 minutes to do each pumpkin, and once we got everything cleaned off, we just tapped it on the ground and just got the rest of it out. But you can see it gets it perfectly clean, and it's way less messy than the typical method of like using your hands or a scraper.